Welcome back to Car, your go-to channel for the latest car reviews, updates, and all things automotive. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Honda CR-V. Is this the crossover of your dreams? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Honda CR-V carries over its signature clean lines and practical shape, but with some fresh touches. The front end now features a bolder, more aggressive grille with the sleeker, slimmer headlight design. The new LED headlights give the CR-V a modern, tech-forward look while still keeping its family-friendly vibe. From the side, you'll notice a more sculpted profile, with dynamic character lines that make it stand out. The rear, though still unmistakably CR-V, has been updated with a wider stance and a more refined tailgate design. The 2025 model also comes with new wheel options, adding a touch of elegance to its road presence. The tech in the 2025 CR-V is a big step up. It features a standard 7-inch touchscreen, or you can opt for the larger 9-inch unit, both running the latest Honda infotainment system. It's intuitive, with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay now standard, along with wireless charging and improved connectivity options. The digital instrument cluster is another highlight. It's fully customizable, offering everything from driving stats to navigation instructions, all in crisp, vibrant detail. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2025 CR-V offers two engine choices, a hybrid and a traditional gasoline powertrain. The hybrid is the more fuel-efficient option, offering a smooth, almost silent drive with plenty of torque. The non-hybrid version is powered by 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, delivering a nice balance of power and efficiency. On the road, the 2025 CR-V is as comfortable as ever. The suspension has been tweaked for a smoother ride, and the new torque vectoring all-wheel drive option ensures solid traction in varied conditions, making it a capable all-rounder for city streets and weekend getaways. Safety is always a priority for Honda, and the 2025 CR-V is packed with advanced features. Honda Sensing now comes standard on all trims, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Plus, new for this year, you get rear cross-traffic alert and a blind spot monitoring system. The CR-V's collision avoidance system works seamlessly to keep you safe on the road, making this an incredibly family-friendly choice. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2025 Honda CR-V starts at around $30,000 for the base model, with the hybrid version pushing that price slightly higher. For what you get out of tech, the performance, and the reliability, it's a solid value compared to competitors in the segment. So, is the 2025 Honda CR-V worth it? Absolutely. With its refreshed design, improved tech, and strong performance, it continues to be one of the best compact SUVs on the market. Whether you're after a daily driver, a family car, or a weekend adventure mobile, the CR-V delivers. Thanks for watching our review of the 2025 Honda CR-V. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Is this the SUV for you? Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Car, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Until next time, drive safe.